Let's grow. Welcome back. It's your boy Monty, your favorite creative content coach. And man, I know for a fact you've been seeing this viral Ghibli style ChatGPT animation generator going crazy on social media. A whole bunch of content creators and even everyday average people are transforming their photos into these Ghibli style animations. And it's really exciting to be a part of. And if you want to jump on that train and create something really cool for yourself, this is the right place. I'm going to give you a step-by-step full tutorial, no fluff, no BS. We're going to just jump right into it. The only thing I'll say is if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, especially if you are a growing content creator or somebody who wants to become a very creative and impactful content creator, and you want to learn different ideas or you want to learn different skills. You want to get exposed to different tools and resources that you can use to create amazing content. This is the place. I've been a content creator for some years now, and I've been able to grow my community to over 150,000 followers. I've made six figures, over six figures, multiple six figures as a content creator. And listen, I've been able to do a lot of it on a budget, and I've also been able to just really expand my skills to the next level, which has helped me propel my career. So if you want to grow as a content creator and you want to learn some new skills and have some fun in the process, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But other than that, let's go ahead and dive into this tutorial right now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously log into ChatGPT. And from there, what you're going to do is you're going to tap on this three dots that says View Tools. Once you tap on that, you're going to see a menu pop up and you're going to click Create Image. Then from there, you want to tap the plus sign that says Upload Files and More. Once you click on that, you have a few options. You can go to your Google Drive. If you have a Microsoft OneDrive, you can do that as well. But for me, I'm just going to upload directly from my computer. Next, you're going to find the image that you want to turn into the animation, and you're going to go ahead and click Upload. Once it's uploaded, you're going to go ahead and type in the prompt, turn this into a Ghibli style animation. I'm also going to ask it to keep it the same dimensions and not change the dimensions at all. Please keep the aspect ratio not ration. Ratio dimensions the same. All right. And then we are going to hit the arrow to submit this request. And we're just going to wait until it's done. Okay, so after about 3 minutes, the image is finally uploaded and it actually looks really, really good. It's actually very accurate. You can see I'm holding the puppy. There's no extra legs. There's no extra fingers, it doesn't look like. You can see my smile. You can even see the Crocs look like Crocs. They got my crew length socks as well. And my dog's little egg toy. It's a squeaky toy. As you can see in this picture, there's a squeaky toy here on the ground and it's right there. So yeah, like all of the details from the original photo, all the way from the images in the background, the view of the window, the lights, the desk, the couch in the back, and everything. My smile. They got my nice chocolate brown skin. They got the laptop on the desk. I mean, it pretty much captured everything. Even the cords that are on the floor, they captured some of that as well. So, I mean, this is very, very, very accurate. The only thing that I see missing is the tripod from this image, but that's okay. Like, it literally captured the entire essence of the image. And this is high level stuff, super creative. Like, you can use this ChatGPT image generator to tell stories, to help you narrate stories, to help you give tips and tricks and value in a very fun and engaging and very just unique way. So I love this. And all you have to do once you have your image generated is tap on this little down arrow where it says download, and it'll go ahead and download to your laptop, and then you can just email it to yourself, or if you have iOS devices, you can airdrop it to yourself, and then you can post it. But let me see if I can actually add some elements, if I can add that tripod as well. Let me just type that in real quick and see what happens. Okay, add the tripod to the image and keep everything else the same. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna hit done. Submit. All right, and now we probably gotta wait another few minutes. So, yep, let's just fast forward. Okay, the image is uploaded, and as you can see, they added a tripod with a camera right in front of the lighting. And I mean, it's good. Conceptually, it's right on point. The only thing that I noticed that changed from the original image that it generated is that I no longer have that bright white smile showing on my face, which is terrible, But you know what? I can literally just prompt it to add the smile, and the smile would come back. So yeah, you get the gist of it, man. This is absolutely amazing. ChatGPT image generator, this Ghibli style animation is absolutely fire. Give it a try. Have fun with this. I'm telling you, this is gonna take your content to the next level. All right, that was the tutorial. And if you enjoyed it and you're gonna give this a try, I want you to go ahead and comment below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. And I want you to send me a before and after picture of your Ghibli animation so I can see how you did following the instructions from this tutorial. I can't wait to see what you create. Can't wait to celebrate you. And listen, if you are not subscribed, one more time, hit that subscribe button, especially if you enjoyed this tutorial and would love to see more content like this, especially in a no fluff, no BS fashion. And if you want to just continue to grow as a content creator with me and with the rest of this amazing community, all right? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go try this idea right now. Don't waste any time, all right? So with that said, happy creating. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's grow. Peace.